Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to install Amazon Prime Video app. Method 1. Select this apps tab from top, then go down. Here you can see search field. Using this search field we can search both apps and games. Select this search field. Then here let me type Amazon Prime. Okay, then search, and here you can see Prime Video app. Select it, select install. This is a method 1. Let me cancel this, then go to method 2. Method 2, go to settings. From top right corner, set all settings. Go to apps, go down, select see all apps. Go down, select show system apps, then again go down. Then we need to find Google Play Store app, and here you can see Google Play Store. Select it, select open. So this is a Google Play Store app. Here on top you can see search. Select this search field, and here I am going to search Prime. See, select Prime Video, select install. Please wait. This is a method 2. Done. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.